abusuafo ene adofonom akwabasonko enkoma obibia sedane da munya ebre eji edwa etie ensemu a eye too much ede ebremu ewo Ghana wahala dwumedie yi eso mi amutimini midin ene ekua sikapa na ene deyi abaye bi ebabontin emrebi etwemu de ensembi bebatu edwa magana fo ehunu ye womu ehu womu se womu role no esu ene eban na ne ya womu ewomu eno ema ebinum be defend womu ne de die tese wanti se wodogo bi enu abehye ohwe se de entwabo ne ekona wonu so se wo se oba no be kasa ede efa hone no ena tese wodi ne nsembi ababatu edwa na ensem a wode apie apono so na busuafo ese wani ensese ye kan ede twomma yembonwura eye ensem no emu. Go to hell, Mona Gucci fires at Nana Aba Anamwa and all the slay dogs wives set to release more filler. Said the midi kind ekayan. Abaya biani din ene Mona Gucci Mubekaya wakotna neat FM. Wane Ola Michael Edi Inkitanhu and I just say one more ekasa defa slay queen sam. Wana se emaya wo mo de ato omo so wo mbe slave ewo wo mayi emu enioma wo mo de kire se nipa no oye slave queen de kire se wonye wo de ni nyina atudwa ebiemu so wo kire mu efa wo mo ne enkraman po eda ni nyina wo de to apono so na ode ne nsam no betudwa no Ghana fo binum ebi edin ebebe piepie mu ye nuaba na aba anama general manager MGH1 din ebe mu ebi ne workers anasa wo mo no ye adwuma no so sewa amihe ena Sandra ankobia din epie mu Moyisha din ebaye ye kwapim polo din ebe mu afia odo jakiapia yes and ye nuaba Jocelyn Juma ono susu ni din ebe mu ebi nkofo no de bebre ena wo bobo wo mu din no wo kire wo mu slay queens womu so a womu enye slay queens no obi eya na wodi nsem we ya tu edwa kekan we ye no womu ya offended to say Moyisha ene fia wodo womu ba ye ebebe blaster ne kekan womu adwen de che na ne womu di nufu ate abuo no ebi di nanimu a enye fe etwa de bo no ebiemu ansuso numu omu betwa kwa no we ye no presenter na mu na de hosting program no Ola Michael wono so ebabontin the unqualified apology ebre womu edi epiemu no esre womu se womu enfa enche womu se sa enoma we ekoso no mu use womu platform de ese womu di anaso womu di femi womu di ka bibi bone de efa womu ehun na apology no ekoso wie ya na odi na apology no eba ye no eno ema ye nuaba Nana Aba Anamwa wono so ebabontin ebebekata ye sehwe ni FM for empany for ene managers ni wo mo wo bu wo mo enam se wo mo do ma no ato asem no mu enu nti ena waye de wo respect wo mo nti no wajai bibia ama no aka na chese nya de se wo beso so na so eno enchire se wo bi ebetini di nanim aye efom na mo na na nkasa mu wo ne no ebedi se wa ba bontin aba we kika nkrofo edi no wabo ni din ewom se wo pempem nkrofo de ma sei na onu krampo ne de ne ye godmother of all the slave queens no eno krampo ne ma ne ye ne nto ye na adwen se hwem wo bia wo befa ni institution ana nipa na as a personnel ana media house bia wo be ye na adwen se wo bebo ni din ebe di femini din ne hard earned reputation no obidi dako ebeba be say no pa de na wo say nipa no pa de ene mra pa ena woni wo ebetwe wodo be komranimfo anim ama wo mo adi wo adi na emra no de se no wo mo adi adi because ontina honum adwumaden a waye osa wabo ne homodin a carry ne ho a hwe ne ho a bebedu sampepe so we obi amboa no obi amfa ne taku obi amfa ne sempoa ameka nche ne se na beje na wo ye hu se de wo bo homodin fa yese na wa tine drum pepe so we na wo sorry na timi ba bonte me be kasa yan ena we wo pempem krofo the media school say no de ye ena wo ye godmother of all slave queens pande a on find nipa no ho enche no de biara eda enti wo din some way atu edwan na no so akwakwa bre Mona Gucci ni kurom ai what say and sema nana ba na moa aba be kan because nana ba na moa e kasa nkwada wa kasa dia ma se wa mi he ne Sandra Nkobia ne wo mo maka because Moyisha ne fi ododo mo ba person e be attack no so attack wo mo reply wo mo fine banana ba na moa ba na oba ye no hwe no se hwe abaye ya se mo wa kan dia abri ni kuro yie papa on hwe e ma ne mfa ne hu endi nto no so ekọ ni page so ekọkọ reply ye na eno no de etu eja se I am Mona Gucci, love me or buy a map, get a GPS and go to hell. Thank you. Ray and Odi two eja. Na just say, why you ready say? Then ya will not dear. Why you not drink and I was not drink because what right slave queens nimu who dear one who dear one who say I dear we bet me to how bread and melpuno I dear we bet me to how bread Ghana and in Chimano and you won't share a massa dear way and coso and to about Bontia Wabe Canada will be and to me and China Sianas will be to me and sign that is will be to me stopping from us exposing all the girls and I said all the slaying people are one more or maybe more the bad influence and I said bad ye mepununu into I didn't say either say Robert Donald and I said Obaka map and then they was saying get a GPS and go to hell way and then someone would in two agent now then some way a baby go upon us and I will try to go to the pages in a Ghana for the eight. Now just I buy you 1 mini pound. When mini pa ewo de wo ye no eho na se enye ade a ekoso a anka nanimre se wo be ye den wo be kasa because ye hwe ye Canada Japan exposesa se na ni abrinti e na da ne da wo yi nkrofo to enti we nanimre ya anka nya de se wo no so wo be ba bonten aba be kasa no mman kinkan adwintre no bi a ewo ha no Charles adia wo de eba wo say there is no evidence to back your claim, Mona. In any case, it is what they choose to do with their life. Therefore, allow them. So, who the evidence be a would be proving? Who need say be a more corner na jumedi or mujenu, which are woman funny, a be a video woman, and now one who footed be a would be now was away your evidence, and as a way and your ma who wait me a day, I can't edit your woman and to way dear. And I say who bet me day a bread woman assay. Now, after all, so be a how our person were headed, or living the life until you choose. Or choose to believe it that way. And no dear, and yet, what how into Jawa na one more, and yet dear one more, epe. Ye bright or two, Edia or day a buyer or say. Perhaps one day they would also make a public confession like you doing now. One on the contrary it beats my imagination where they get all these world to flaunt their extravagant lifestyle. Besides, most of them are not married or so dear and no same dako one so ever bontain aba beka woman one said you no one and that day we see you whoop or then the crab for the s or baba betina prince and from one and guasia na how Ghana for ebe shano nanso no wo be na adwensem wo be kan sanso so na ebia mre bi beba one so ever bontain say one more ever beka woman no as a went wonja wom obi si on so munyame a wo de gya na emra ne so a na se nyame de ne saka na ye den a wo beba enti saa wo so emra no so mu gya ya wo mo beba bonten aba be make confession said de wo so wa be kinana ono de de ebro na adwene ne nti ase so ene se wo mo flanti yi sika na se ohunya de cars dan ne omo ko trip ne yi nyina no woman in answer no one more and ya aware for no aka say be ma bi eta na chi ana say nipa so na sim e na eboa ntia no ene ade a kire na adwen a wo betimi aka say e bia de mo na e ka no ye no krowe ene bright so e dia wode e ba ye nana ej enso e dia wode e ba my dear don't worry yourself, okay? Let them do whatever they want to do. You have decided to repent and God will seek you through. They will also do the same when the time comes. And also so at the end, no. Beatrice and so at our day by or say when you were doing all this, did someone tell you to stop? No, it was in your own convenience that you came out to tell the world that you are a slave queen. So please let them be. If they are ready to tell us that they are slave queens and they pimps, then they will. If they wouldn't to let them keep it to themselves, you are not the right person to judge them or no so adwentra what they eba ye enono we any adwentra no bi a ye nuanu binom e de ebebetu eja efa eye mona Gucci ye go to hell sensem a what they ato amane eye na aba anamwa ene womo womu edi epie mu e won list no so a chese womo e attack no e kire sen an wono se ene wan so obeba begu womu ehu efi no wono so e reply what they e ma womu no we ena womu so edwen e de fa won so wo fie sen ena wodwen e fa eye mo na response to eye na na ba na mo ene eye sequence na wo bo womu edinu wo ne se womo emmes so na eye entokwa enya ntokwa ankasa anase womu entwa no emo because onu amu no enya de se obia enim no anase enkenye ne nsem a waba bonte ba be kan ko obia enim tie nja no sa because of fa kwa we so e de apefim anase den se de wadwen kire etie bia no fa bra e wotuma gh comment section me ma remfi so be like videos no wa share e de ama abusuafo adofonom ene enafofo na wa follow ye we Instagram page so @gh_ na emrepam no ye de madwen kire no ebetu edwa midin ene akua sikapa desene ye besane hia